TeraBios is a young company. We established it about a year ago, and the company is engaged in the development of medical devices, medical systems for blood diagnostics, in particular for point-of-care applications, for point-of-need tests. So portable medical devices for blood diagnostics. We are developing actually a pipeline of products based on a unique technology. And because of the ability of this unique technology, of the unique features of the technology, we can address unmet needs. For example, the flagship product that we are developing will be a handheld system that will empower patients who are on blood thinning therapy, patients who are on warfarin or Coumadin. These are blood thinning drugs. So we can empower the patients by enabling them to carry out blood coagulation tests at their own convenience at home, using a very small, very portable device, very low cost, and very, very easy to operate, just by putting a drop of blood onto a cartridge and then onto the device. So this is our flagship product, but in addition, we are developing a range of other products, again, aimed at blood diagnostic tests. And the importance there is that the products will be, that the system that we're developing will enable the test to be carried out in a multiplexed manner. So essentially, we can take a finger prick of blood, and we can run it through our device, through our system, and we can analyze many different parameters. Mainly, most of the parameters are related to the coagulation and the time of the blood and the viscosity of the blood. And these are parameters, they're called APTT, PT, prothrombin, thrombin time, thrombocyte functions. These are blood parameters which needed to be measured before pretty much any major operation or any operation, surgical procedure that has a bleeding risk. So these are parameters which the doctors need to carry out, to measure very, very frequently. And with our system, the system that we will be developing first, we can enable the doctors to carry these tests out, as I say, all the tests in a parallel format, in a parallel manner, multiplexed manner. The doctor will get the results because they can see they can get a printout, for example, of the various parameters that they need to analyze. But the whole process of measuring all these parameters related to blood coagulation tests, it's very, very simple, very, very straightforward. And the doctor will be able to see the results, for example, in the screen, or they can get a printout. It's in a very, very straightforward manner and very simple to operate devices. The development of the technology started many years ago, actually, at Koç University, which is the leading private university in Turkey, in Istanbul. And a significant amount of money, almost to the tune of $2 million or so, has already been invested into the development of the technology. The company, as I mentioned before, is a much younger company. So based on these 6 years of research, we have carried out a lot of tests using prototype systems in a laboratory scale, so in the lab, within the university, in the university environment. And within the next few months, we will be in a position to to develop our pre-production prototype within the next year, actually. We believe that the market potential is very, very large because we are developing a pipeline of products, as I mentioned. So the system that we aim to market to clinics and hospitals is a business-to-business system, which can measure the various parameters of blood in a multiplexed manner. Because these parameters are needed to be measured, as I say, before any major operation, the market is quite large for that. We have also identified market segments or niche markets within this large market, which we aim to address. For example, to give you one example, is the postnatal procedure, so drawing blood from babies, where the problem there is to draw blood with enough volume in order to be able to carry out the test. So with our technology, we can enable tests to be carried out from very, very small blood volumes. But the flagship product is the handheld system that we are developing for patient self-testing market, for people who want to measure the coagulation time of the blood. The market there is around, well, it's a bit less than, is a little bit under than $1 billion. It's around the $800 million mark. Only this specific market, the market segment for patient self-testing, not the overall coagulation market. And in addition, finally, there is a third product that we are developing based on the same technology, also for multiplex tests. And with that, we can address many different markets in multiplex clinical diagnostics, where the market is huge. It's of the order of $20 billion or so. In the rest of the year, so in the next 6 to 8 months, we anticipate to finish with all our laboratory tests using the prototype systems that we have developed in the lab using whole blood, which is a very important milestone actually, because it is very, very easy to screen. It is extremely important actually to be able to screen whole blood rather than processed blood. So we expect to finish with that within the next few months actually. And very recently, the academic group that we're affiliated with at Koç University has won a very large grant of the order of $600,000 from the Turkish government, the Turkish Science Foundation, and this will enable to speed up the development of this laboratory prototype system. And so that's for 2013. Within the next 12 months, which is our first value inflection point, we anticipate to be able to have a prototype, to develop a prototype for this benchtop coagulation test system. In terms of financing objectives, we are fundraising at the moment. We are in round A, so we have received seed funding from a company called Inventram in Turkey. And we are fundraising now for about $2.2 million, which will enable us within the next 2 years, 24 months, to develop pre-production prototypes actually of all the systems that we are that we wish to develop. In summary, with the specific technology that we have been developing, we can empower patients who are on blood thinning therapy by enabling them to carry out coagulation tests at their own convenience, at their own surroundings, in their home. And this has been very, very frequently, and it has been proven, demonstrated in the literature actually, that patients who carry out frequent coagulation tests, by frequent we mean once every week, have a significant reduction in problems which are associated with this blood thinning drug that they take, warfarin, which are problems associated with bleeding or with the blood becoming too thick, and which would lead to embolism or strokes, etc. So this is why our technology is important, because we can give to patients a small handheld system that they can use at home, very similar to a glucose meter, insert a drop of blood, fingerprint of blood, and then carry out the coagulation test, which will help them to adjust the dose of the drug that they take.